Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Bella.
This is Daddy.
And remember to subscribe to our channel, right? And thumbs up if you like it. What is this?
Chalk.
We got some chalk, and now we're gonna go outside and make some art.
Yeah.
You ready? All right, let's go.
Wait. Oh, it's working.
Come on.
It's already chalk.
Look, somebody already write something on the ground, on the concrete.
That's me.
You did it?
Yeah.
You gonna write right here?
Yeah.
Find some more space.
Right there.
I'm gonna do some triangle.
It's raining? Oh, yes.
Square.
Hi.
Circle. Change color. What color do you have?
I have this purple.
Purple. What else?
That's
What else do you have?
this.
Why are they all broken?
Blue.
Okay, just gonna make a house. Diamond.
I need a new purple.
New purple.
Yeah.
What are you drawing?
A circle.
Circle? Your circle doesn't look like my circle.
They're not the circle. It's the ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
What kind of ice cream is that?
It's a purple ice cream.
Purple ice cream? What kind of flavor?
Purple.
What flavor?
Cherry.
Cherry?
Yeah.
What color is cherry?
Purple.
Okay, good.
Goodness.
What are you drawing now?
That.
Well, I'm just gonna draw a stick man.
This is the best stuff. Why? And look at bigger too. What's that? Hey, keep that here.
I need a new color. What are you drawing now? What are you drawing?
I'm not gonna tell you.
You're not gonna tell me?
Yeah.
It's a surprise or it's a secret?
It's a secret.
secret?
Yeah.
Looks like a square to me. What's that?
That's an ice cream poop.
Ice cream poop?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to say poop. One leg. One. One. Two. Uh-oh. You okay? Come on. That's why we don't play outside. You had so much fun outside? Yeah?
Daddy, can you help me?
Hey guys, do you like making art outside?
Yeah. This
How
is
about you
my
ask your
cup.
fam if they like it?
Do
Do you like my art?
Do you like art? It's getting ice cream.
Ice cream.
Come help me, Daddy.
I got some strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry. It's strawberry. Strawberry. Oh, here too.
We got here some ice cream.
Ice cream down here too.
Ice cream, strawberry.
Ice cream down here
Ice
too.
cream, strawberry.
And ice cream up here.
Ice cream.
Ice cream up right here too. Come help me dry ice cream right here.
Okay.
I got
Where's the cone?
this is the cone,
That's the cone?
and this is the cone. This is the cone.
That's the cone?
Yeah. I'm gonna read the other one.
You got some pretty big toppings.
Loose goes here. We've got this one, this one, and this one.
How long we got left, mommy? 그렇죠. 됐다, 됐다.
Daddy, come help me. Do blue. Blue. Go blue.
See blue you have.
Oh. I need this. Do it. Daddy. After we do this one. After we do this, I quit too.
Well, no, but that's the cone. Okay. Thank you for joining us on making art outside. Remember to subscribe to our channel. right? Say goodbye to your fans. Bye bye. We love you. Mm.
You are